In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track YouTube videos in Google Analytics. Understanding how viewers interact with your videos is crucial for optimizing your content and strategizing effectively. This process of tracking video interactions in Google Analytics 4 or GA4 can provide valuable insights that can ultimately enhance your channel's performance. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to go to your Google Analytics account. Once you're there, head over to the Admin section. You'll find this in the lower left corner of the interface. It looks like a little gear icon. Clicking on that will take you to a new set of options. The next step is to navigate to data streams. Data streams in GA4 are essentially sources of data. If you've set up your account with tracking for websites, apps, or even custom sources, you'll find them organized here. Click on data streams to see what you have linked up already. Now, locate the web stream you want to configure for your YouTube video tracking. Choosing the right stream is crucial, as this is where your video activity data will be recorded. After selecting your web stream, you'll spot another gear icon labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on that, as this is where we'll set up or verify our enhanced measurement configurations. Within the Settings area, look for Enhanced Measurement. It's designed to help track a variety of interactions automatically without needing additional coding. Here, what we're specifically interested in is ensuring that video engagement tracking is toggled on. What this feature does is auto-track several video-related events. This includes when a viewer starts watching your video, known as the Video Start event, their progress through the video, which can log at various intervals and is termed as video progress, and when they've watched the video in its entirety, which is the Video Complete event. Beyond just these events, video engagement tracking captures parameters like the video title, providing context on which video is being interacted with. It also tracks the video URL, helping you know exactly where your viewer is engaging. Additional data on the percentage of the video watched, marked as video percent, gives you deeper insight into how much of your video content is being consumed by your audience. With these settings applied, GA4 will now keep an accurate log of how individuals interact with your YouTube content, furnishing you with rich data to analyze viewer engagement patterns. By regularly reviewing this data, you can refine your video content strategy to better engage your audience. Whether it's tailoring content to retain viewers longer or identifying themes that resonate best with your audience, the insights you gather can significantly impact your channel's success. And that's how you can track YouTube video interactions using Google Analytics 4. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has empowered you to leverage data for more effective content creation strategies. If you found this useful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more insights and tips. See you next time.